Hello, and welcome to Great Garden. To make your garden burst with colorful blooms and have plants flowering in full glory. In today's video, I will reveal a completely natural orchid care recipe that uses only ingredients commonly found in your kitchen, easy for anyone to try. After applying this method for a short time, you will notice orchid roots becoming plump, white, and strong. Leaves turning glossy green and healthy. And most importantly, flower buds beginning to elongate, signaling a vibrant blooming season ahead. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to Great Garden so you won't miss any tips. Let's get started. The first ingredient for making this fertilizer is breadcrumbs. Breadcrumbs contain starch, a small amount of B vitamins, and minerals, which help nourish beneficial microorganisms in the growing medium, support orchid roots in absorbing nutrients more effectively, and stimulate healthy plant growth. You just need to put about 3 tablespoons of breadcrumbs into a clean glass cup. Next, add 500 milliliters of hot water to dilute the mixture. Then, stir well and let the mixture soak for about an hour so that the nutrients in the breadcrumbs are fully released. While the mixture soaks, I'll lightly rinse the pots in the garden. This step is very important, as it helps wake up the roots and prepare them to absorb nutrients effectively. The layer of clean water evenly moistens the growing medium, washes away salt residues and dust, and creates a well-aerated environment for the roots to breathe and exchange nutrients. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. At the same time, the root tips are activated, the roots expand, and their ability to transport water and nutrients increases. When the organic fertilizer solution is applied afterward, the plant can absorb nutrients quickly and evenly, preventing fertilizer shock or root burn. After rinsing, lift the plant out to prepare for applying the organic fertilizer. After 1 hour, I strain out the bread solids, keeping only the nutrient-rich liquid ready to use for the plants. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. Now the organic bread solution is ready to use. Let's apply it to the plants in the garden to help them grow healthier and stronger. Method 1. First, I gently pour the prepared bread solution into a small cup. Then use a soft cloth or cotton pad to lightly soak up the solution and carefully wipe each leaf of the plant. First, I will wipe the orchid leaves. The bread extract solution helps remove dust, mineral residues, and buildup that has accumulated on the leaf surfaces over time. At the same time, the bread provides a natural source of carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals that support metabolism and help the orchid leaves regain their shine. When wiping, make sure to cover both the top and underside of the leaves so the nutrients can penetrate the leaf tissue more effectively. A suitable frequency is 1 to 2 times per week, keeping the leaves clean and healthy without causing waterlogging or damage to the plant. Next, I apply the same method to Anthuriums. Using a soft cloth or cotton pad soaked in the bread solution, gently wipe each side of the leaves carefully. This helps remove dust and mineral residues on the leaves while providing natural nutrients, keeping the Anthurium leaves lush, glossy, and healthy, and enhancing their photosynthesis. With Anthuriums having thick and sturdy leaves, it's important to wipe both sides thoroughly so the nutrients are evenly distributed, boosting the plant's resistance and supporting sustainable growth. Next, I use rice combined with the bread solution to water the plants. Rice contains natural starch, B vitamins, especially B1 and B3, as well as minerals like potassium, phosphorus, and magnesium, which are very beneficial for orchids. I add 3 tablespoons of rice into a clean glass cup. Next, add 500 milliliters of clean, room temperature water. Then, stir well so that the nutrients in the rice are fully released into the water, creating a solution rich in starch, vitamins, and easily absorbable minerals ready to use for watering the plants. Finally, strain out the solids, keeping only the clear liquid. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. This liquid is exactly what we need. Next, I add 1 liter of clean water to dilute the solution. Now it's ready. Let's start watering the plants in the garden. Method 2. First, pour the bread and rice mixture into a dedicated watering can. Then, gently water evenly around the base of the orchid, allowing the solution to gradually soak into the growing medium and reach the roots directly. Bread provides a source of carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals that help stimulate the growth of new roots, increase vitality, and support the plant in preparing for its growth and flowering stages. Rice adds natural starch, B vitamins, and essential minerals, helping to nourish the root system, promote the activity of beneficial microorganisms in the growing medium, thereby enhancing nutrient absorption and supporting stable plant development. This watering method should be applied once a week. Once the plants are healthy and stable, you can reduce the frequency to 1 to 2 times per month to maintain a balanced nutrient supply and avoid excess that could affect the roots. Method 3. Pour the organic fertilizer solution into a dedicated spray bottle and start spraying on the orchid stems, leaves, and leaf axils. Misting allows the minerals and natural nutrients from the bread, rich in carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals, combined with the starch and B vitamins from the rice, to be evenly absorbed throughout the plant. You should spray once a week during the first month to help the plants recover and adapt. After that, reduce it to once a month to maintain long-term effectiveness without causing nutrient excess. After spraying, let the plants rest for about 15 minutes to allow the leaves and roots to absorb the nutrients. If water remains on the leaf surfaces or in the leaf axils, gently wipe it off with a soft cloth or clean cotton to prevent prolonged moisture, which can encourage fungal growth. Once the leaves are completely dry, the plant is better protected, reducing the risk of leaf and tip rot, while maintaining stable growth with thick, glossy, and vibrant leaves. Results after 2 months of application. For orchids, the changes are very noticeable. You can easily see many new roots appearing, with fresh green tips that are plump, signs that the plant is absorbing nutrients well and recovering effectively. A healthy root system forms the essential foundation for stable and sustainable growth in the coming seasons. The orchid leaves turn a deep green with a thick, glossy, and sturdy surface. When touched, the leaves have good elasticity, indicating the plant is in an ideal growth state. At the same time, new shoots growing from the base develop vigorously and full of life. In some pots, new flower spikes have already started forming and stretching upward, showing that the plant is ready for the flowering season. Not only orchids, but other plants in the garden, such as Anthuriums, also show very positive results. Their leaves are lush and naturally glossy, and the plants grow uniformly. Many plants start forming buds early, and the flowers bloom fresh and long-lasting, thanks to being fully nourished from root to tip. Each bloom not only displays natural beauty, but also reflects the care, patience, and love you have devoted to your garden. This gentle care method using natural ingredients not only helps orchids grow strong, but also brings positive changes to the entire green space. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss simple yet effective plant care tips in our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video on Great Garden.